Hi, boys and girls. I am going to be a scientist today. I like this t-shirt because it says exercise ? I thought you said extra rice. First of all, I love Mexican and Spanish food, so that's why I thought it's funny. Also, I hate to exercise, just a true fact. However, in this weird time in history, I've been walking once or twice a day because it's good for your body. So I highly suggest, even if you don't like to exercise, to walk because we've got beautiful weather. Okay, we are going to be scientists today and learn all about how germs work and why it's so important to wash your hands. Wash your hands. Ha ha ha! Okay, let's get started. So this is what you'll need for this experiment. Need some paper towels, a plate. This is just a little pitcher of water, some pepper, and a little thing of soap. Just little Dawn. Little Dawn will do ya. And that's it. And a plate. All right. So what you do for this experiment is you start by pouring some water into your plate. And I'm gonna pour till the bottom of my plate is full of water. So as you can hopefully see, pretty full of water on the bottom. You don't want it to splash around, just full enough. And then I'm going to pour my pepper, which is also now going to turn into my germs. These are germs, okay? We're gonna pretend these are germs. And I'm gonna pour my germs into the water. So these are germs. We're going to pretend they're germs. So we have our germs floating in this water, and I have my unwashed hands. These hands have not been washed. And I'm going to stick them in the germs. And I want you to watch what happens. Okay, stick them in the germs, and look. I get germs on my hands, okay? So I stick them in the germs. No, I didn't wash my hands. I'm touching something. I get germs on my hands. So then I'm gonna take my paper towel, wipe off my finger to where I don't have any germs on them. Then I'm going to take my Dawn and I'm gonna smear my finger with my Dawn as best as I can. Okay. All right. And then I'm gonna stick that in the plate and look what happens to the germs. Did you see that? They go away from the Dawn. They don't like soap. So that's why you wash your hands. You see that? Germs hate Dawn or soap. So wash your hands, please. A dab will do ya. I hope you liked the experiment. If you tried it at home, send a video or a picture. It's a fun thing to try to do, and it's really cool how it works. But that's why we wash our hands, because germs run away from soap. See you soon. Bye.